Assalamualaikum. Please listen to me. Whatever you do, do not message the tickler. He will... Reginald, come here!
Yes, what is it?
We need to cook up a birthday party for my friend. Do you think you can get stuff for the party?
Yes, I think I can.
What the fuck are you doing?
In the society of the beatboxers, we
I'm sitting on a bench. Whoa, guys, you remembered?
Hello, Horizon. Ren here to wish you a happy birthday. My wishes to you are to live a happy life of folly and happiness. I now bless thee with the career of 7 goldfish, and I let thy swim beyond. This is my goodbye to you, as I now depart to a different and never see me again.